Welcome back to my 30 days of gardening. Now, in my area, we've been fortunate enough to have lots of rain, which is always a good thing for the garden. The garden always seems to thrive when it rains. And then you also get to save on your water bill, right? But let's get back to it. So, these are some pepper plants that I started from seed a few months ago, and they've currently been in the process of hardening off. All this means is that because I've started them indoors as seeds, before I can place them outside in their permanent locations, I first have to get them acclimated to the real weather. This process is called hardening off. So here I have my 3 pepper plants that were inside of the cup. I love that the root system has been developed, and now I just want to give them the opportunity to grow individually. I try my best to be gentle with the roots. If that's not your jam, feel free to kind of rip them apart, but I do try to make sure that the soil is at least a little bit moist so it's easier to divide each of the plants. So here in this planter, I'm going to have a tomato on the other side, a basil in the middle, and then the pepper on the other end. This is a form of companion planting, but because this is my first time planting all of those items in such a small spot, that is the benefit of having more than one plant. So because I have 3 pepper plants, I'm able to experiment and push the boundaries in my garden a little bit more. So I want you to keep that in mind. If you have grown more than you think you would actually need, how then can you push your garden to do even more than you thought possible?